Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys, another hair video to be exact. This time we are doing a 26-inch wig. To be honest, I have never done 26 inches. I've been a basic bitch around 22, so now we're trying something different and I'm happy. Okay guys, so my friends have been telling me that I've been buying way too much hair, but guys, the reason I bought this hair, guys, is because I have something special planned. I have something coming up. So those of you who don't know, I actually make music on the side. So my Instagram handle is Aura Music. Please make sure to follow me. But the reason why I needed this hair is because I needed a hairstyle for a music video. So I was like, let me just buy some 26-inch hair and let me just get this shit lit. Like, let me just look fresh, you know? I wanted to make sure that I was straight for this. I wanted to make sure that my hair was gonna be lit for this video. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're fucking with this hair. I think the jet black looks hella sleek. I will be doing a vlog on my new music video that's gonna be done fairly shortly, and you guys are gonna get all the details to that. So I got this hair from Unice hair. I've been waiting to try hair from here for so long. I did already open the box, so I'm at least gonna go and show you guys how it came packaged. I do think that I have a clip of it, so I'm gonna insert the clip of what the wig looked like right out the package. So it came with this little baggie. So I did get a pair of lashes. These are looking like they're kind of thick, and as you can see, I do like dramatic lashes. Because we're in a panoramic right now, I can't even go get my lashes done. So when I do wear falsies, I want to make sure that they are really thick. So they did get us a wig cap. You can never go wrong with these. Unfortunately, this wig cap is pretty light. It's not my complexion. It's more of like a sand color. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to put foundation on that. This will be one of my extras. Ooh, okay, so there's also a little silk bandana in here. I love these because I don't want to be wearing my big scarf to bed, and sometimes it's just really just my edges that need to be laid. So these silk little things right here keeps you snatched. So I believe I have the Beta U series. It says that it's 150% density. So just off of first glance, I can't lie, the hair is super soft. But what I did notice is they are kind of thin towards the ends. So I will show you. Like, they are kind of thin for me. So I actually did go ahead and order another bundle because I like my hair to be thicker than this. So this is where the hair sits on me. The hair sits just below my waist. It did come in a natural 1B, but I actually went ahead and dyed it last night. I was looking for a super jet black hairstyle and I just wanted it to be pinned straight. So I just went ahead and dyed it. The hair did take the color really well and the hair is still super soft, so I'm very happy about that. Just a couple more details about this wig. I did get 150% density, 26 inches, and it is a 13x4 frontal. Okay, so it is a pre-made wig, regular lace. The lace did come very white. It wasn't tinted at all. I know sometimes you can get wigs that just have a little bit of a tint to it, but it was not tinted at all. So I actually went ahead and put some foundation on this wig, which you will see later. I started to not bleach my knots because I do feel like it's making the bond between the hair and the actual lace super weak. So as a result, the hair tends to shed more when you bleach the knots. But don't get me wrong, bleaching the knots makes the hair so much more realistic and so much more like scalp. But honestly, for keeping the hair for a long amount of time, for me it just doesn't make sense to always have to bleach the knots. So one product I did want to show you guys is what I use to sometimes tint the lace. I did get at my local beauty supply store. This is the Eben New York Tinted Lace Spray. I use this a lot. Basically sprays just like hairspray. I have mine in the color dark brown. Spray at a distance on my lace wig and it actually tints it, and it really does give that scalp look. But the only thing I will say about this spray is you do want to make sure that you wait for it to dry a little bit. So maybe take your blow dryer and just blow some cool air on it. Okay, so shedding. So this hair has shed just a couple pieces. I have started to realize that when I rake my hands through it a couple of times, I am bound to get at least one strand. Yeah, so there's not really a lot of tangling. The hair is pretty soft, pretty smooth. I do feel like the hair seems to be just a little thinner towards the ends. I'm not too happy about that. We'll see once I get that next bundle and when I add them in, maybe it'll make the ends a lot more fuller, because to be honest, sis, this isn't it. I did pay for this hair myself, a little bit over $400 Canadian, so it was a little pricey. Will I buy this hair again? I'm not too sure. I feel like I said, I really like thick hair. This hair may not be thick enough for me, so I don't know the likelihood of me ordering again. It really depends. So it's not bad. I'm a little on the pickier side. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I do think I would rate this hair a 6 right now. Nothing super crazy, nothing that's standing out to me. I really like that it's not tangling. It took color well, guys, and it's still super soft, so those are all really good things. I'm gonna show you guys basically from scratch how I installed this wig, how I usually install new wigs. They are kind of different from wig to wig depending on how they fit, but I will show you guys how I did this one. And this is kind of the end look, so this is kind of what it looks like of an up close. So this is kind of what it looks like right now. Okay guys, so we're gonna go right into the video. I'm gonna show you guys how I lay this wig. I'm gonna show you my process, and I'm gonna show you all the details. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you quickly the construction of the wig. As you see here, there are 2 combs on the side and that one at the bottom. So first thing I do is put this wig on just to see how it's fitting, you know, comb right through it just to see what I'm working with. I just wanted to show you guys the ear tabs on this wig. They are a little short, so I did have a difficult time putting it together, but I did make it work. So I like to cut 3 slits on the front of the lace so that it's easy to manage and it's easy to glue down. I usually like to use my Ghost Bond, and I do apply a very thin layer from ear to ear. So once I apply the glue, I do like to take the back end of my little comb and spread it out. I do this in a flat backwards motion, if you can kind of see here, and I wait for that to dry. So I did do that a couple of times. I don't put too much glue. I would say maybe 2 thin layers, but once I get it to how I like, I bring down the lace and I press into it. So this basically is just making sure that the lace is melting right into my scalp. I think you can tell here that I am applying quite a bit of pressure and just making sure that that's melting right in. So now that I've gotten it the way that I like, I am taking my razor blade and I'm just taking my time and I'm cutting off the lace section by section. When I use a brand new wig, I do like to keep some of the lace and slowly cut it down so that it looks the most natural and that I don't make any mistakes. If you're ever too scared that you're going to make a mistake with the lace, I highly suggest just taking your time and taking off little by little as you go, because it's better to have more than less and then you can't go back. Afterwards, I like to take my Got2b spray, and this is the key to melting your lace. I use this faithfully and basically it makes it really stay on there. I'm just going back to cut more of the lace off, and this is where I really take my time because I'm adjusting it to my hairline, so I want to make sure that it's a perfect fit. And to be honest, that's really all that it is. After I get that done, I do just go straight into doing my baby hairs. I didn't do too much, and I did do them off camera. So as you can see here, this kind of was the end result. And after I did my makeup, I just decided to go and put in the foundation in. So this is up to you. You could use foundation or powder, but anything to just kind of get it really
blended into your skin.
Let me know what you think. I'm really fucking with this hair. I do feel like it looks really good. You can never go wrong with the jet black. It's hella clean, hella crisp. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of mine. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.